my vlog! And for today's video, I am going to present to you what is the statement of financial position, and I will discuss and teach you how to make this.
First of all, what is SFP or Statement of Financial Position? So, Statement of Financial Position shows the value of the business in a particular date. The first one is the asset. So, what is asset? An asset is something that entity owns or control in order to drive economic benefits for its use. Asset has different types: the current asset and the non-current asset. So the current asset are all the assets of the company that are expected to sold or use as a result of standard business operation over the next year. Non-current asset, it is the company's long-term investment of which the full value will not be realized within the counting year. Next is the liability. A liability is an obligation that a business owes to the owners, and its settlement involves the transfer of cash and the other resources. The first component of liabilities is the current liabilities. It is the financial obligation of the company that must be paid within the current year. And the next one is the non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities, also known as long-term liabilities, are obligations listed on the balance sheet not due to the more than a year. Lastly is the equity. The equity is what the business owes to the owners. And now I am going to show you how to prepare a statement of financial position.
So hi guys, so this is the statement of financial position. So first, when we are writing the statement of financial position, we should write first the headings or the name of the company. So Melodies Corp. Then next is the word statement of financial position. Then the given date as of June 2019. So by the way guys, this form of writing the statement of financial position is the account form because it is written horizontally and we have the assets on the left side and liabilities on the right side. So first, liabilities. Current assets. So we have the cash for 70,000, short-term investment for 50,000, account receivable for 100,000, prepaid rent for 50,000, and inventory for 55,000. So a total of 325,000. So hi guys, so this is the statement of financial position. So when we are writing statement of financial position, we need to write first the heading. So it's Melodies Corp. The next is the statement of financial position. Then the given date as of June 2019. So by the way guys, this format that I've used is the account form because it is written horizontally and we have the assets in the left side and liabilities in the right side. So first, the asset. Current assets. So along with current asset, we have cash for 70,000, short-term investment for 50,000, account receivable for 100,000, prepaid rent for 50,000, and then inventory for 55,000. So total current asset is 325,000. So I add the all amount, so I arrive with total current asset 325,000. So next is the non-current asset. We have land for 30,000, property, plants and equipment for 20,000, and then allowance for depreciation for 5,000. So I add all of this amount, so I arrive with a total of non-current asset with 50,000. Next is the other receivables for 550, goodwill for 30,000, website and domains for 46,000, other intangible assets for 12,000. So a total of 123,500. So we need to add the total of the current asset and the non-current assets. So I arrive with the total assets of 448,550. So next, we are in the liabilities. So we have current liabilities, account. So along with the current liabilities, we have the accounts payable for 1,000, short-term loans for 150, accrued expense for 405. Then I add all of this, so I arrive with a total current assets with 1,555. So the non-current liabilities, we have non-term loans for 1,060, bonds payable for 55, preferred tax for 40, and the total of non-current assets is 1,555. So to get the total liabilities, I'll add the total current liabilities and the non-current liabilities, so I arrive with the answer 2,710. So next, we're going to move on in the owner's equity. So in owner's equity, we have the share capital with 20,000, retained earnings for 424,990, then reserves for 850. So a total of 430,550. So at next, we need to add the total liabilities and the total of owner's equity to have the total number of liabilities and owner's equity, which is 448,550. So it is balanced. It is balanced with the total asset and the total liabilities of owner's equity. So guys, this is how we're going to write the statement of financial position. Did you learn something from this video? Oh, very good. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell below.